Up here in the silence, where the stars hold my name, I watch it down there, Erin, playing this brutal game. Married so young, a boy in your arms so tight. Death stole me away, left you alone in the night. Bills like a noose, job slipping through your hands. That sight you tried, but your heart couldn't stand. Wrestling calls you in, echoes of nights we shared. But every ring bell tolls like an unanswered prayer. Oh, my love, if I could break through this veil, wrap you in arms that death couldn't steal, I'd wipe away tears from those diary pages torn. Tell you you're strong, but you're not alone anymore. But heaven has a wall my voice won't carry. Watching you bleed, it's a weight I can't bury. For our son you fight through the fire and shame. My heart screams your name, watching your pain. They step on your dreams, crush you under heel. Upsets to losses, wounds you'll always feel. Bullied and baited day after agonizing day. Those sick twisted games leading you astray. They steal your secrets, mock your loyal soul. This evil world's cruelty, digging deeper the hole. Resigned and broken, to a new hell you flee. But the sadists are waiting, preying on you for free. Oh, my love, if I could break through this veil, wrap you in arms that death couldn't steal, I'd shield you from bullies, from the crowd's cruel roar. Whisper I'm here like I did before. But heaven's got a wall, my voice it won't share. Seeing your self-doubt, it's more than I can bear. Clumsy and humble, my girl, who's dying inside. I beg the skies to let me be by your side. Your light, but the shadows grow long. You're enduring the pain, pretending you're strong. I see the vulnerability in every fall you take. The ghost of our love that keep you awake. If only one touch, one word could descend to mend what was shattered, to help you transcend. But I'm trapped in this piece, singing solo a duet, watching my world crumble, a debt I can't forget. Oh, love, if I could shatter this divide, pull you close, turn back the tide, I'd fight all your battles so erase every scar, tell you I love you forever, no matter how far. But heaven's noiseless stillness echoes my cry as you rise from the mat, wondering why. For our boy you persist through the endless despair, my eternal whisperer, and I'm there, fading away in heaven, my helpless stare.